Hey everybody, welcome to the brand new Performance Lexus of Northern Kentucky. Lots of exciting things happening here. New building, new facility, brand new GX, and best part of all, Dan Pice from Lexus Central Area Office here to go over with us this awesome car that everybody's been waiting for.
Guys, it's been 14 years, but we finally made it. Brand new, fully redesigned model year 24 Lexus GX. Here, what you're gonna see right next to me is gonna be the Overtrail Plus model, the biggest, baddest GX that we have on the market today.
So you have one?
I wish.
Okay, all right. Well, so we're clear, he doesn't have one.
One day. As you can see here, two-tone color paint option. You're gonna see earth down here with a black roof. Overtrail Plus has 4 specific colors, this being one of them. But not only that, we have a lot of other goodies in store as you come around the side. So as you come to the side, these are 18-inch alloy wheels with matte gray metallic finish, wrapped around some beefy Toyo all-season mud and snow rated tires.
For me, this car's awesome, no doubt about it. For myself, my wife, what we love about this car is the beefy tires. This is on the Overtrail, okay? It just looks mean straight out the box. Dan's got specific on size and everything, but that's a quick, easy way to tell if we're looking at an Overtrail or a premium plus luxury, etc. This is a must for me.
To come with the wheels, we also have an electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system. Basically, this thing can go anywhere and be anything.
All right, for me, this is the car. There are other trims available. This is the Overtrail Plus that we're talking about. The premium, the luxury, they all have an option of third row. This does not. This is a bench, which for me works. For me and my family, it's great, and this is the one for me. But if you have a bigger family and you want that third row, keep that in mind when you're picking out your car. Another great thing about these cars, many great things, right? Put this down the wireless charger, that's a plus. I'm a big fan of off-roading cars. I've had other manufacturers in the past. What's great about this one is I don't feel like I am in an SUV with big knobby tires. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's still a Lexus, but is ready to roll off trail. I've got pictures to prove it. I was lucky enough to be with Dan up at Autobahn doing some off-roading in these back in the fall. One of the best days of my life. Get this car, you will not be disappointed.
So the inspiration behind the GX is simple. The lead designer on this car out of Japan, his main inspiration was his diver's watch. Now, his diver's watch could go up to 3,000 feet underwater. Not that any human can actually do that, but the fact that it can is the reason and the inspiration behind this beautiful car that you see here today.
All right, so let's be honest. The outgoing V8, the last GX, was a huge Lexus hit, right? That V8's been around forever. It's tested, it's true, it's bulletproof.
100%.
We got a V6 twin turbo, is that right?
That's correct.
So what can you tell me about it?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. This has more horsepower, more torque, 50 more horsepower than the prior one, more torque, and 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. So not only does it look good, but it goes pretty fast.
And it's got that Lexus reliability that everybody loves.
100%.
So I just heard better, 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 and better.
Exactly.
All right, sign me up.
So fully loaded Overtrail Plus, this car specifically, this has a towing capacity of 9,000 plus pounds. And actually it's already integrated into every single GX. So you don't have to spend more money to actually purchase a towing kit for your car.
Thanks again for watching the video. Dan, been a pleasure. Thank you for coming out. You need to get down here more often, for sure. You all need to get out here more often. Come check this thing out. Let's buy one now. Come check out the new facility. We built this for you all. Please come and enjoy it.